Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to discuss the topic from air, winds and cyclones. See here, first of all, take an syringe and draw out its plunger to the limit. Okay. Now close the nozzle of the syringe with a finger and press the piston. Okay, so first of all take one syringe and draw out its plunger to the limit, up to limit. Now close the nozzle here. Okay, close the nozzle of the syringe with finger and press the piston now. So were you able to press the piston? Did you feel pressure on your finger while doing so? So what do you think exerted pressure on your finger? So here, when you press the piston with your finger, that means when you close the nozzle with your finger here and when you press the piston with your finger, you feel some hard to press here. Okay, so here we have to apply a lot of pressure to press the piston now, because here in this syringe air will be present. So when we close the nozzle with the finger, the air locked inside of that. So that's why when we press the piston, it is very hard to move. So when we release the finger at the nozzle, so we can easily press the piston, right? See the next one. Air expands on heating. Right? So here, in the before activity we observed that medicine is drawn into syringe with the help of air pressure only. Right? So here, take an empty injection bottle and one empty ballpoint refill. Take an empty injection bottle and one empty ballpoint pen refill. Remove the pin of the refill. Okay. First of all, remove the pin of the refill and insert one of its end in the cork of the injection bottle. As you can see here, insert the refill into the cork of the bottle. Now, put a water drop on the upper end of the refill here. Okay. Now, rub your hands together so that they become warm. We know when we rub our hands, they become warm. So carefully pick up the bottle and hold it in both your hands for some time, so that the bottle also becomes warm. Right? With warm hands when we hold the bottle, so that the bottle also becomes warm here. So what happens to the water drop? So how does it behave? Now keep this bottle in a saucer of cold water and observe what happens to the drop. Why does this happen here? Here, what makes the water drop inflate when the injection bottle is held in cupped hands? What happens to it in cold water? Right? Can we infer from the first observation the air expands on heating? So can you state what happens to the air in the bottle when it is cooled by keeping the bottle in water? So here, the bottle becomes warm due to warmness of our hands. Right? So we observe that the water drop raises up to the end and form a bubble. You can see here. Right? So here the water drop raises up to the end and form a bubble here. So if we keep this bottle in a saucer of cold water, the water drop comes to its original place again. So by this we can see that air expands on heating. Okay. So here we can see that air expands. Okay. So here air expands on heating. Okay.